Okay, so new box from Realme. Finally, official na ang phone or series na ito. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So, of course, we're gonna be having a longer video about this. They even included a mini aquarium inside. Here we go. Unboxing time. Okay, we have here, as usual, nakalagay dito, make it real. And dito muna tayo para may konting excitement. We have here some manuals and SIM ejector tool right over here. And then meron tayo dito na, alright, so before we move to here, we just check out first the 80-watt charger included, SuperVOOC cable, which is a Type A to Type C cables. Wow, look at this. Look at this color. Ganda. But then again, since it's color changing, this is not the only color that you get when you get this device. It can change to a different one depending sa temperatura. We have wow, rounded edges, sleep and wake button, the volume rockers, an IR blaster, and at the bottom you have the speakers, SIM tray, and then also the Type-C port. Yung mga dating mga Realme, almost ganito yung itsura. Yung pinakagilid may konting texture. But they've decided not to implement that on this smartphone. Okay, so now let's go now to settings. It says here 512 gig. So far occupied is 27. We have 12 gigs of RAM. You can extend it further if you want to, up to 14 gigs. So 12 plus 14, you can lower the expansion, RAM expansion to 4 gigs if you want. Wow. And then you have a front of 32 megapixels. You get two 50 megapixels sa rear and one 8 megapixels. Okay, so we now got some water. We got it now there. What do you guys think about the new Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G? Let me know in the comment section down below. Catch you in the next one.